Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2014 Toyota Camry SE model. This is the mid-level model, the Sport Edition, and this one is beautiful. Nice charcoal gray color. Has 3 previous owners, no reported accidents. Also has new Goodyear tires up front. A little bit of road chips on the very bottom of the front bumper, but comes with nice clean and clear black housing headlights for the Sport Edition, as well as fog lights, and those are automatic lights. Comes equipped with Toyota battery, the 2.5 4-cylinder, great engine, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, and tinted windows on the outside. Have great tires on the rear as well. Paint's all in really good, clean condition. And then for the inside, we have power windows, locks, mirrors, and a power driver's seat. It's a smoke and pet-free interior. We have the original owner's manual. Nice clean dashboard, touchscreen stereo, ice cold AC. Then we also get auxiliary and USB connectivity with a charging port. And then automatic transmission and a nice spacious center console that's retractable. And then an additional charging port inside that compartment. Up top we get dual vanity mirrors, we get map lighting and sunglass storage. And everything's properly working. Nothing to note for inoperative items. Nice contrasting here with the brushed nickel window surround trims, and we get factory floor mats throughout, as well as rear fold-down armrests, dual cup holders, side impact airbags, and split-fold rear seats. Looking down this side, no dings, dents, or scratches, and then same with the rear bumper, all in really good condition. And then these are the pull tabs for the split-folding rear seats. Spare tire, tools, jack, everything equipped. We also get a rear backup camera with these. Light scratch here down the side of the bumper. Really beautiful paint, all in really good condition. So on this side we get our power windows, locks, mirrors, automatic window for the driver's side. The seats trim still intact, very nice. Comes with lumbar support and power driver's seat. And behind the driver's side here we get a pocket storage, our automatic headlights, fog lights, paddle shifters for the Sport Edition model, and then interval front wipers. All the touch points look real nice, as well as the logo. And then we get a leather wrap steering wheel with volume controls, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as voice command and cruise control down below. And turning the vehicle on, fires right up, no warning lights on the dash, 131,000 original miles. Revs up nicely, idles smoothly, AC's ice cold. Stereo works great, and the volume knob's real nice, as well as rear backup camera. And then as far as the windshield, it's been a replaced windshield, no cracks, no chips. So this one's a total turnkey, ready to go Camry. So if you're looking for one of the most reliable, spacious, full-size sedans on the market today, look no further than this beautiful 2014 Toyota Camry SE model. You can find this beautiful Camry exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.